Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn on screenshot sound on your device. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to sound and vibration. On the below you are going to find the sound and vibration. After that again you have to scroll down to additional setting. On the below you are going to find the additional setting, so click on it. After that, here is the screenshot, okay, screenshot sound, and if you want to set screenshot sound, just click on this icon and the screenshot sound on your device will be activated. And if you want to set off screenshot sound on your device, just click on this icon and the screenshot sound on your device will be set off, okay. So if you want to on, click on this icon, okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.